What does the YMCA say?
Only 247.
And what does Nana the Pop say?
256, 260. Their scale's more accurate. There was a man at the YMCA, but he didn't like the scale.
You should try the scale at our place. They open for not 4:30.
My hat went on the floor. I have to get it. Yes, I got it. So far, I have 2 minutes and 16 seconds.
De la Nuit. Programming on WRTI 90.1 is underwritten in part by the Exergen Temporal Scanner Thermometer. The Philadelphia Orchestra supports WRTI. This week with the Philadelphia Orchestra, former music director Christoph Eschenbach returns to Verizon Hall with a passionate program featuring Beethoven's infamous Fifth Symphony. And Alyssa Weilerstein performs Schumann's intensely personal cello concerto. For tickets, 215-893-1999 or philort.org this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at the Kimmel Center. Whether you commute to work with us, listen while you prepare dinner, or just sit and unwind with your favorite music, you can count on WRTI to be here without fail. We're so glad that we can count on you as well. Without you, we'd be hard-pressed to continue to bring you the classic of music and jazz that you depend on. Thanks for helping to keep the music strong with your financial contribution during our essential Winter Quiet Drive. We're well on our way to meeting our financial goal, but we still need to hear from you. We need to raise at least $325,000 in order for the drive to be a success. Please call 1-866-809-9784 or contribute online at WRTI.org. Here are 3 poems for piano of Maurice Ravel called Gaspard de la Nuit, and it's a performance by the Fireball pianist Marta Argerich on WRTI 90.1.
Are you going? You said to me you're going to the gym?
I go on Fridays and Saturdays about twice a week. I was playing basketball in the hot tub, lifting weights treadmill riding a bike. Isn't that good?
That's good. That's very good.
Oh, we forgot to walk Bella.
No, I can't walk. My toe got lanced.
Infected, you mean?
Yes.
How exactly did that happen?
Well, I think I was cutting my toenails and I must have clipped
Too short.
part of the skin. But I don't know for sure.
Were you in the hospital?
No, just I went to the podiatrist at 2:45, and he lanced it, drained out all the pus.
And the bacteria.
Yeah. And I have a bandage over it. Now, he numbed it, and that numbing's starting to wear off.
I bought my own baseball bat so I can use it. It's not broken though.
Did you swing it?
I bought it from...
No, but I know you bought it. You told me Goodwill.
Yeah.
But did you swing it to see if it's right for you?
I know, but I'm gonna test it. Let's check the time. I have 7 minutes, 17 seconds.
Have to get their phone number out here. Where are we going tonight?
Vicks.
Vicks?
Victors. Did you have a certain mouse in mind?
No.
Do you know there's a pond over there?
Yes.
It's hard to take notice
Yeah.
because it's such up on a hill.
Well, I did pretty good also. There's a lot of cars there.
I'll stop the